Officer, I want to sleep with you tonight.
What do you mean?
I said, sleep with you, not on the same bed, in the station. It's cold outside.
Oh, man.
Why's your face red? Relax, lady, you're not even my species.
Honey, you're so funny. Will you marry me?
How old are you?
I'm 31.
Sorry, expired. Oh, pretty lady.
Well, hello there, talkative stranger.
You arrest sparks, not criminals.
Oh, do I now?
Mine's gone. Stolen. You did it.
I think that's above my jurisdiction.
Take me in, please. Life sentence.
Life sentence.
Love you, officer.
Snacks I can do. Lifetime we'll see.
Hello?
Do you understand the charges?
Yes, but do you understand your haircut?
Oh, no. Oh, man.
3 seconds.